Look at that fish, look. 21 inches. Welcome back to Fish-itis, everyone. I've got my son Nate out with me today, and we're fishing a river. We're doing something a little different today. We're going to fish a river, and the water temperature is pretty cold. It's about 48 degrees. We're going to throw jerk baits, jigs, try a lot of different things. We're going to try and catch bass, walleye, pike, whatever bites. It's early May, springtime, so we're hoping that we're going to be able to get into some fish. Somebody has a challenge. If he's able to catch a bass, a walleye, or pike, he's going to get
Yu-Gi-Oh trading cards.
Yu-Gi-Oh cards. He's all into that now, so if he gets that, he wins the challenge, he'll get that. So let's get at it. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, come on. Oh, they're trout. They're trout jumping, Nate. Oh, Nate, I got one. I got one, Nate.
Oh, not cool.
Get the net. Oh, you threw your line out.
Oh.
I'll get it. That's all right. Oh, that's a decent bass. But it's a fish, right?
Yeah. Well, we know those fish you.
Yeah. Up in the current. Yay. We got one. Cold fish.
Whoa!
We got one.
Finally.
Yeah, it took us a little while. The water's cold, 48 degrees. But, yay! Pretty one, huh? Throw it on this side, Nate. Yep, over here. All right. There's one, Nate. Hey, Nate. I'm gonna help you after I reel this one in. It's okay. It's a good one. Look at this one, Nate. Oh, that's a hog. Get the net, Nate.
I wish I could catch
Get the net.
that.
Get the net for me, Nate. Wow, we got a good one, Nate. Come on. Nate, you're too slow. Come on, buddy. Get the net.
Please don't call me buddy.
Yeah, I got it. Oh my gosh, Nate. Holy mac. Oh, look at the size of that smallmouth, Nate. Whoa. Wow. Look at that bass, huh?
Alright, let's go fishing.
You better get your line out there, huh? Wow. He engulfed that. Wow. So that's what we come out here for.
Yeah, how am I not catching fish? That's the question I'm trying to ask.
Nate's a little frustrated. We've been fishing for 2 hours. Nothing. We came on the spot and I got 2 in a row. You'll get them, Nate.
Stop being so confident.
Big old bass, though. I'm going to measure and weigh that one.
Whoa.
Look at that fish. Look. 21 inches.
Stop moving.
No, he's not. 21. Oh, they're jumping around us. 21 inches. 5'3". All right. First 5-pounder of the season. We'll take it.
Oh, got one.
Got one?
Got one.
Okay, good job. Okay, put your rod tip up. Yay, Nate. Yay, Nate. Yeah, you got one, Nate. Good job.
Yes.
Okay, loosen your bail.
Oh.
Nice job.
Yes.
All right, you got a bass. You won the challenge.
Yes.
Come over here. Nate got the challenge. He got his bass.
Yeah.
He's been trying
A
for
little one, but
2.5 hours, huh?
Yeah. A little one,
Hey,
but
we didn't say what size,
fish.
did we?
Yep.
Joe, grab him real hard.
We got it.
Got him? Good job, Nate. Go ahead and put him back in.
Back in the water.
Hey.
Yay!
What do you have to say about that, huh?
Good.
Wanna get a 5? Yeah. Good job. See? Gotta stick to it. Stick with it. You want to come up here with me?
Oh, got it. Got one.
You got one? For sure?
Oh, man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you might have a walleye, Nate. What is that?
Oh, my God.
No, it's a big bass.
Oh, this is heavy. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, Nate, you got a big bass. Don't horse him. Don't horse him. Don't horse him. Just hold on. It's okay. You don't have to horse him.
Oh, jeez. Oh.
Yeah, Nate.
Yeah!
Give me 5. Nice.
Yes!
It's a big one. Look at that.
Oh!
It's a fat
Let me hold
one.
it. Let me hold it.
Yeah. Naders.
Oh.
Woo, look
Yeah.
how fat that one is.
That's a big one.
Whoa.
Oh, I got a big one.
Let's measure him.
measure it.
Yeah.
And see if it's the same as yours. 21 inches.
Not quite, but it's big. A little over 18. Ooh, Nate. That's a 3.5 pounder. I don't even have to weigh my nose. 3.5 pounds. Okay. It's current strong. Go ahead, let him go. Nice. Oh! Yes! Fist bump. Ugh. Double! Yay! Double little ones for Nate and Dad. He won't call me Daddy. It has to be Dad. There's one. Yep.
Big one? Oh, I got one too. Wait, no.
Yeah.
I think I have one.
It's just a little one. We're getting the smaller ones now, aren't we? It's the little one. There you
I
go.
got one too.
Yay, Nate. Right. Oh, Nate's a big one, I think. That's a nice one. See, he was way in there, wasn't he? That's how I was telling you that they're in there. Nice fish, Nate.
Whoa.
Yeah! Oh, look how fat that one is.
Whoa.
Naders. Whoa!
Yeah.
Good job. Wow.
So you can hold up yours and I'll hold one.
Yeah, my little bitty one. Let's measure him. Oh, 19 inches, Nate.
Ooh.
4.5 pounds. 19-inch for Nate. Come over
Bigger
here.
than the last one.
Yeah, come over here. Bend it back. Got it?
Yep.
Get my little one. So, look at my little fish and look at his big fish. That's what he does to me, huh? Good job. Yeah, they're in a lot closer, I think, than we realize. You know that?
Yeah, they're a lot closer.
That was a nice one there, Nate. There he is. Yep. Yeah, I think it's a good one. Well, it's hard to say. Feels a little bigger. Nah, not really.
Do you need me to get to that?
Nah, you could fish. He's not giant. He's nice, but not giant. I had the video on, my chest one on. Oh, that is a decent one. Bigger than I thought. They are engulfing these things. Wow. Bigger than I thought he was.
I think we both caught like 6 fish or something.
At least, yeah.
Bass.
Yeah. Bigger than I thought. I'll tell you what's happening is they're getting it way down in their throat too. I mean, they're putting that down there. That fish choked it. Look at that. Man. Wow. Nice fat. That's a female. With eggs. Big female. Woo. That's it for this evening. We had fun. We really hit into the smallmouth bass. Pre-spawn smallies. We got some big females. I got my first one over 5 pounds. Nate got a couple over 4. Caught a bunch of smaller males. We tried out for the walleyes first. Just they weren't cooperating. Said let's go smallmouth bass fishing. We went upriver, hit this shoal that was coming out, and they were just loaded on it, and we just one after the other. So we love it when that happens. And we went a couple hours without a bite, and then boom, 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 boom. So we really had fun in this episode. We hope you did too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you the next time on Fish-itis.